The next one is retreating monsoon. ठीक है, retreating monsoon. Retreating means returning of wind. Okay, it is monsoon means it is nothing that is called the changing of wind's direction. Okay, it is nothing, only the direction, the changing of the wind's direction, we gets the rainfall, right? So as I've told that retreating, in the previous video I discussed about advancing monsoon. Here I'll discuss about retreating monsoon. Means I have already told that monsoon, the time period is from June to September. So when it reaches to at the top, that means in the northern part, the southwest monsoon, when it reaches, as it gets a obstacle and it gets dry, and again by the time what happens here over the ocean becomes low pressure. Opposite in winter I'm talking about low pressure, and here it is called high pressure, right? So definitely will air will return back and from high pressure to low pressure area. Okay, when it returns, as I've told, then it is northeast, in a northeast direction. Okay, and India, remember, India lies in the northeasterly wind side, so it moves from high pressure to low pressure like this, and the moment it crosses the equator, it turns to the left. Okay, this is called retreating monsoon. But how retreating or northeast wind, that advancing monsoon means southwest, but retreating, that is northeast, means what? That is called northeast wind. How it is helpful to the India, because India also receives some part, that means 20 to 30% of rainfall in during the winter. How is particularly Tamil Nadu coast, Tamil Nadu, that means Coromandel coast. Okay, Coromandel coast it gets, Coromandel coast gets the rainfall when it gets the rainfall during the winter. कैसे पाते हैं? Now see, as the movement of the wind is here like this, it is called Bay of Bengal is living. It is here when takes the carries the moisture from Bay of Bengal and first strikes to the Tamil Nadu coast. Okay, and Tamil Nadu is the only state, I repeat, Tamil Nadu is the only state which receives rainfall during the what? Winter, October to November month. Okay, so this is called retreating monsoon. In this way, even the southern part also, in the southern hemisphere, the Australia and all, they also get the rainfall during the winter due to this northeast wind. Okay, so this is all about retreating monsoon. I hope you have understood it. Okay, thank you children.